Hello everyone, I'm back with another new video on Guidepad Academy and I hope you are all doing very well. So in today's video we have some good news from the Walmart. There's a Walmart Hackathon program and internship program is now available for the registration, and in this video you get the all information about this all the program, how you enroll and everything will be going to be in details in this video. Watch this video till the end for the all the information. But before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so you will be never miss any update from us side. And also you get the daily information about the free courses, internship, jobs and everything. So let's get started. If you see here, the Walmart Hackathon is now open for the registration. If you don't know guys, this is the Walmart Hackathon program which Walmart arrange every year, and for this year it is now available for the registration and all. And also you get the internship opportunity during this hackathon, and also you get a stipend up to 1 lakh rupees. And if you win this hackathon guys, you get a chance to win a prize that is the 2,90,000 rupees. Why should you apply for this program? Because you get a chance to reshape the retail workflow and operations, and also you get to know that how the e-commerce operations and retail workflow actually happen in a background from order to a delivery. You get the real world problem and real world challenges from this hackathon, and you get a chance to resolve them with your talent and with your skill with the Walmart. And also you get a chance to give your future ready idea to a Walmart that shape our future very brightly. Here is some important dates about this all the application. The application is open from the 5th June 2025, so you can apply as soon as possible after watching this video. All the links is available in the description. Also the WhatsApp channel link is available in the description, so go and check the all links and join our WhatsApp channel, because daily I post some interesting internship and job opportunity. So last date of application is July 14th 2025. The finalists will be announced in July 29, 2025, and winner will be announced in August 2025. So in this hackathon guys, you are going to be give a real world solution for the real world problem, and here are 4 themes for this hackathon. The first one is a reimagine the customer experience. Second one is a transforming the retail supply chain. Third one is a creating a sustainable future. And fourth one is the building trust in a retail with a cybersecurity. So these all 4 themes are available in this hackathon, and you are going to be give the real world solution for this all 4 the themes. There are certain problems available for individual themes, so you are going to be give a solution for that real world problem with your skill and with your knowledge. And also guys, you can group up with your friends. If you are people of 2-3, you can easily group up for this hackathon and you can participate with your group in this hackathon. There is some criteria also available for this hackathon. Your branch should be computer science, data science and AI, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology and mathematics. This internship is available for the only last year students. If you are a last year students of any of this graduation field, you can definitely apply for this internship. The first and the second year student are not eligible for this application for the BE BTech. For the dual degree program also, the first and third year students are not available for this. If you are MBA Intech students, you should have to be a second year students, then and then only you can apply for this internship. So there are some guidelines also available for this. The guidelines is that you should have to be select any one of a theme from these 4. You should have to be select any one of this theme for 4. During the submission, you should have to be describe your problem statement very carefully, and also you should have to be explain the solution of your problem statement, and you are going to make a video of your all the problem statement, your solution and your demo code, and you are going to be upload that video on YouTube, and it should be unlisted till your selection. It should be unlisted on YouTube. So you are going to be submit your problem statement, your solution and your solution code demo video. So this all you need during the final submission. Why should you participate this program particularly? You get a chance to showcase your talent and innovation with Walmart. You get a chance to increase your network, and also you get a chance to secure your interview for the internship in a Walmart, and stipend would be up to 1 lakh rupees for that internship. And after completing this internship, you get a chance to work as a full time with a Walmart Global Tech India. And also you get a chance to win the 2,90,000 rupees winning prize for this all the hackathon competition. So this is the key information about this hackathon competition from the Walmart. So this is all offering from the Walmart for this hackathon and internship program. For applying this, just click on apply now. You will be redirected to the this page. So this is all for the today's video. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. Please share this video with your friends, family and students who really wanted to start their career and who really want some updated news in a tech industry and job industry. So this is all for the today's video. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.